Hello students, welcome to the fifth video, three-dimensional space, that is the first class of the plane. So before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति शांति शांति. Susta. Today we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is plane. You know what we mean by plane. So plane is a surface, the line segment joining any two points on the surface is completely lies on it. So what is a plane? A plane is a surface such that the line segment joining any two points on the surface is completely lies on it. तेणु इमिदियार सरफेस को आम प्लेन कहबा जो सरफेस उपरे जे कोनोसी दिरा पॉइंट रो जोग करथुआ लाइन सेगमेंटटा जदि से सरफेस भीतर रहउची then that surface is known as a plane. So plane may be a triangular shape, plane may be a rectangular shape, plane may be a parallelogram shape, plane may be a circular shape, but plane never be a irregular shape. So in irregular shape means the line segment any two points on the irregular shape is completely does not lies on that surface. Okay. So a plane can be determined. You know, a plane contains the whiteboard is a plane. Whiteboard is a plane. So in that plane, in that whiteboard, so many points are there. Infinite points are there. But any line which is perpendicular to the surface or perpendicular to the whiteboard, this line must be a normal. So this pen is a normal and this whiteboard, this surface is a plane. Because if we joining any two point, the line segment joining, okay, is completely lies on it. So a line which is perpendicular to the plane, this will be a normal. So a plane can be determined by a given point and direction ratio of normal to the plane, that plane can be determined, or by given any 3 points on the plane, its equation can be determined, or the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane and direction cosine of the perpendicular, okay, that plane also can be determined. So गोटे प्लेन टा डिटरमाइन करिया बेले प्लेन ऊपर गोटे पॉइंट थिबा दरकार आ से प्लेन को जो लाइन टा परपेंडिकुलर रहउची से परपेंडिकुलर रो डीआरएस थिबो किबा डीसीएस थिबो बा प्लेन ऊपर जदि तीनटा पॉइंट देथिबो that can be also determined the equation of the plane. Or if the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, origin to plane प्रति आम गोटे perpendicular draw करिया तार perpendicular distance देथिबो आ से perpendicular direction cosine देथिबो बा direction ratio देथिबो, that can be also determined the equation of the plane. Okay, so you know what we mean by plane. First we write the definition of the plane. Definition of the plane. A plane is a surface such that the line segment, the line segment joining any 2 points, on it is completely lies on it. Okay. So plane is a surface such that the line segment joining any 2 points on it is completely lies on it. Plane may be rectangular shape, parallelogram shape, triangular shape, etc. Okay, etc. But if we draw one figure, this is not a plane, because if we take these 2 points, the 2 point joining the line segment joining these 2 points is not completely lies on the surface. This is a irregular shape, so clearly it is not a plane. Okay, so plane must be a parallelogram shape or rectangular shape, because if we joining any 2 point is completely lies on it. Okay, so next, how to determine the equation of the plane. Equation of plane. First, to find the vector equation of the plane, then we convert the vector equation of the plane into Cartesian form. Okay. Find the vector equation of the plane, vector equation of a plane passing through a point, passing through a given point capital A, whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to another vector, n vector, perpendicular to vector n vector. Okay, so find the vector equation of the plane passing through a given point capital A, whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to n vector. So now we find the equation of the plane passing through a given point capital A, whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to n vector. Perpendicular means that line must be a normal. and normal perpendicular means normal to n vector. Now we draw the first figure. Clearly this is a plane. So we take the plane means it must be a parallelogram shape or rectangular shape. So clearly this is a origin. Suppose this O is the origin. Here the given point capital A is given. Its position vector is a vector. This is equal to OA vector is equal to a vector, and its position vector of A is equal to a vector. And this is normal. This is normal. Normal means perpendicular. So clearly this is normal vector, and this is known as n vector. N vector is a perpendicular to the plane. Now we take any point on the plane. We find its equation means first of all you take any point on the plane. Suppose this point is P, capital P be the any point on the plane, and whose position vector is r vector. Okay, the position vector P is equal to r vector. By the definition of the plane, the line segment joining any two points is completely lies on it. Okay, so clearly AP vector, the line AP vector is lies on the surface, and this n vector is perpendicular to the plane means it will be perpendicular to all the vector lies on the surface. So clearly AP vector is perpendicular to n vector, and you know position vector of P is r vector, position vector of A is a vector. So what will be AP vector? So AP vector means r vector minus a vector. So AP vector perpendicular to n vector means AP vector dot n vector is equal to 0. That means r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0, and this is known as vector equation of the plane. Okay, are you understand? देखो पिले ए बोली गोटे पॉइंट अच्छी, ए पॉइंट रो पोजिशन वेक्टर होला ए वेक्टर. आमे वेक्टर ऊपर प्लेन ऊपर गोटे पॉइंट नेली पी, तार पोजिशन वेक्टर होची आर वेक्टर. एपी वेक्टरटा एन वेक्टर को परपेंडिकुलर, दीरा वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर माने डॉट पॉटा 0 हबो. तेनु एपी वेक्टर डॉट एन वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 0. So r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0, and this is known as a vector equation of the plane. Okay, so here capital A be the given point whose position vector, that is OA vector, is equal to a vector, position vector of A, position vector of A, this is equal to a vector. Normal n vector is perpendicular to the plane. No, n vector is the perpendicular to the plane. That means n vector is normal. Let capital P be any point on the plane and whose position vector and its position vector is r vector, that is OP vector is equal to r vector. So AP vector is perpendicular to n vector. That means AP vector dot n vector is equal to 0. And what is the AP vector? This is the position vector of P minus position vector of A. So this is equal to r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0, and this is known as a vector equation of the plane, okay, which is called vector equation of plane. That is also r vector dot n vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0. That implies r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector, a vector dot n vector. So a vector is the position vector of a, n vector is the perpendicular or normal vector. Since the dot product of two vector is a scalar, suppose let it be d, that is equal to r vector dot n vector is equal to d, where d is equal to a vector dot n vector, and this is known as general vector equation of the plane, and this is known as general vector equation of the plane, that is r vector dot n vector is equal to d. This is known as general vector equation of the plane. General vector equation of plane, and r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0, or r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector is known as vector equation of the plane passing through a point whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to normal, perpendicular to n vector. Okay, now we find its Cartesian form. Now we find its Cartesian form, that is Cartesian form. Okay, Cartesian form. Okay, so how to convert the Cartesian form in vector form of the equation of the plane? Let a vector is equal to, this is the position vector of a given point. Point means given point means we always take the given point, its coordinate is x1, y1, z1. That's why we take a vector is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Means capital A, its coordinate is x1, y1, z1. This is the given point on the plane. N vector is a perpendicular vector to the plane, means its direction ratio of the normal, ABC, that is A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. What is ABC? ABC is the direction ratio of a perpendicular or normal. x1, y1, z1 be the point, its coordinate be the coordinate of the point capital A. And R vector, R is the position vector of P. What is P? P is the any point on the plane, and you know any points its coordinate must be x, y, z. मन रख पे एनी पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट आम सब एक्स वाई जेड नेबा, गिवन पॉइंट आम सब x1 y1 z1 नेबा, आ प्लेन नॉर्मल डीआरएस टा कोन नेबा ए बी सी. प्लेन नॉर्मल डीआरएस होची ए बी सी. सो आर वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू गिवन पॉइंट एनी पॉइंट ऑन द प्लेन, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स आई कैप प्लस वाई जे कैप प्लस जेड इंटू के कैप. वेक्टर equation of a plane is r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0. That implies what is r vector minus a vector? So r vector minus a vector means this is x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 into j cap plus z minus z1 into k cap dot n vector means a I cap plus b j cap plus C K cap is equal to 0. And you know how to find the dot product of two vectors in component form, and this is equal to A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. And this is known as Cartesian form of equation of the plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and the direction ratio of normal ABC, which is Cartesian equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and direction ratio of normal to the plane is A, B, C. Okay. Direction ratio of normal to the plane is A, B, C. So clearly this is the equation of the plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and the direction ratio of normal A, B, C. Okay. If Lmn be the direction cosine of the normal, then the equation of the plane, you know, every direction cosine of the line is must be a direction ratio. All DCS are DRS. So this is equal to, if Lmn is the direction cosine of n vector, then here we write L into x minus x1 plus m into I minus y1 plus n into z minus z1 is equal to 0. तेणु DRS दो कि DCS दो, DCS थिले मध्य तमे ABC जगह तमे Lmn पकई पारियो. तो this is the required equation of the plane. Okay, suppose the plane passing through origin means x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, then the equation of the plane must be ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. So ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0 with the equation of the plane passing through origin. Okay. So how to determine the equation of the plane? So by given point and direction ratio of normal is given. तेणु plane equation बाहर करिया गले plane ऊपर गोटे point थिबा दरकार, आ plane रो normal रो DRS दो कि DCS दो, तेले तमे तार Cartesian form डा एमदी लिखियो, आ vector form डा होची r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0. Okay. For example, find the Cartesian equation of the plane, Cartesian form equation of a plane passing through 1, minus 2, 3 and perpendicular to line whose direction ratio is 3, 5, 7. Whose direction ratio is 3, 5, 7. Here given point is given and direction ratio of normal is 3, 5, 7. Direction ratio you will take A, B, C. You take A, B, C and given point is x1, y1, z1. So answer here x1, y1, z1 is equal to 1, minus 2, 3. A, B, C equal to 3, 5, 7. And what is the equation of the plane? Equation of the plane is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Z minus z1 is equal to 0. And substitute the value of ABC and x1, y1, z1. That implies A means what? 3, into x minus x1, x minus 1, plus b means 5 into y minus y1, y1 means 2, this is the plus 2, plus c means 7 into z minus 3 is equal to 0. 7 into z minus 3 equal to 0, and make it simplify. This is the 3x plus 5y plus 7z plus 7z minus 3 plus 10 minus 21 is equal to 0. That implies 3x plus 5y plus 7z. Here 10 minus 21, this is equal to minus 11, minus 11 minus 3, so this is minus 14 is equal to 0, and this is the equation of the plane. This is the required equation of the plane passing through the point 1, minus 2, 3, and a direction ratio of normal 3, 5, 7. Okay. Next, we do another problem. Find the vector and a Cartesian equation of plane that passes through the point 1, 0, minus 2 and a normal to the plane ik plus jk plus kk. Normal to the plane means it will be perpendicular to the plane. So which vector is perpendicular to the plane? That is ik plus jk minus kk, and the perpendicular vector we take n vector, and the position vector of the given point is a vector. So here a vector is equal to, answer, here a vector is equal to 1, 0, minus 2, this is equal to I cap minus 2 k cap, and n vector is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap. We know vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of plane is r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0. That implies r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector. Okay, so this is equal to r vector dot n vector. So n vector means this is I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to, what is a vector? So a vector is equal to I cap minus 2k cap dot n vector means this is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and find its dot product. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1. So this is 1 plus 0 plus 2. So this is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is r vector. That is r vector dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 3, and this is known as a vector equation of the plane in a general form. Okay. Now it's a Cartesian form. It's a Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Cartesian form means take r vector is any point, position vector of any point. R vector is equal to xi cap, you know, this is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 3, and this is equal to x into 1, x plus y plus z into minus 1. So this is minus z is equal to 3, and this is known as a Cartesian form of the equation of the plane. Or you can determine it by Cartesian equation of the plane formula, that is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here x1, y1, z1 is 1, 0, minus 2, and abc is 1, 1, 1, minus 1. By using this formula you can determine. But it will be easy to find a Cartesian form from the vector form, taking r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay. Next, we go to general equation of the plane. What general equation of the plane? So, which form is called general equation of the plane? General equation of a plane. We know equation of a plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and direction ratio of normal and direction ratio of normal A, B, C is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. That implies ax minus ax1 plus by minus by1 plus cz minus cz1 is equal to 0. That implies ax plus by plus cz minus whole into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is equal to 0. And this is a constant value. Suppose its constant value is d, or take it minus d. That implies ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, where d is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus cz1. Okay, and this equation is called general equation of the plane, which is called general equation of a plane. Okay, so this equation clearly contains three variables and all the power of x, y, z is 1. So every first degree equation contains three variables represent the equation of the plane. You know, in coordinate geometry, every first degree equation contains two variables is known as equation of the line. That is, its general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But those equation contains three variables and having degree 1, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is called general equation of the plane. Okay, are you understand? Try to understand. Okay, so first point, every first degree equation contains three variable x, y, z. Three variable x, y, z represent equation of a plane. Okay. Number 2, the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, that is a, b, c, represent direction ratio of a normal to the plane. Coefficient of x, y and z, that is a, b, c, will be direction ratio of a normal to the plane, provided a, b, c are not 0, 0 simultaneously. Provided A, B, C are not 0 simultaneously. तीनटा को at a time 0 है नथिबो. Okay. Third point, if D is equal to 0, then the plane must be passing through the origin. And third point, we write this one. Third point, if D is equal to 0, then the plane AX plus BY plus CZ is equal to 0, passing through origin. Passing through origin, okay. Number 4, clearly this plane AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0 means in that equation the plane contains how many arbitrary constant? How many arbitrary constant? Here A, B, C, D, but in that equation contain 3 arbitrary constant, not 4 arbitrary constant. Why? Because if we taking D on right side, then we divide D on each term, then this will be A by minus D into X plus B by minus D into Y plus C by minus D into Z plus, okay, and this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. A by minus X, suppose we take alpha, B by minus D, this is beta, C by minus D equal to gamma, and that equation of the form alpha X plus beta Y plus gamma Z is equal to 1. So in such case, how many arbitrary constant contains? 3 arbitrary constants. So general equation of the plane contains 4 arbitrary constant, not 3 arbitrary constant, not 4. Okay. Number 4, general equation of the plane. General equation of a plane contains 3 arbitrary constant. So general equation of the plane contains 3 arbitrary constants. That's why the equation plane can be also determined by given 3 conditions, either 3 points or 2 point, another 1 condition, okay, or 1 point, other 2 condition. जेहेतु general equation of the plane रे 3टा arbitrary constant रहिला, so 3 points are required to find the equation of the plane without direction ratio of normal, okay. जदि नॉर्मल डायरेक्शन रेशियो नथिबो 3टा पॉइंट थिले मध्ये हम गोटे प्लेन रे इक्वेशन बाहर करि पारिया. बुझौछि व्हाट इज द जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन. तो जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन मींस एवरी फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेशन कंटेन्स 3 वेरिएबल, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is known as the general equation of the plane, where the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and coefficient of z represent direction ratio of normal, okay, but all are not equal to 0 simultaneously. So next we find equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Okay, here 3 points are given. How to find its vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane. Let capital O be the origin, capital A, B, C are given 3 points. 3 points whose position vectors, A vector, puma B vector and C vector respectively. Okay, that is OA vector equal to A vector, OB vector equal to B vector. Do you understand? I hope that all are understand. OA vector is equal to A vector, OB vector equal to B vector, and OC vector is equal to C vector. This is the position vector of a given 3 points. Let capital P be any point whose position vector is R vector. That is OP vector is equal to R vector. Position vector ta सब origin to ame se point को join करिया, that is R vector. Okay. Now we draw this figure. Clearly this is a vector having 3 points. Let it be A, and this one is equal to B, and this one is equal to C. Here this is the origin O, and this is known as OA vector. This is equal to OB vector, and this is equal to B. This is known as OB vector. This is equal to B vector, and this one is A vector, and this one is equal to C vector. Okay, this is C vector. This is C vector. So we take another point P. So clearly this is equal to P be the any point on the plane, and its position vector is equal to R vector. Position vector is equal to R vector. So AP vector, this is a AP vector. The line joining these 2 points AP vector is completely lies on that surface, and AB vector, AB, this is the B point, AB vector and AC vector. Okay, AB vector and AC vector, AB vector, AC vector is also a line. All are lies on the plane. But you know, AB vector cross AC vector, AB vector cross AC vector, or you can take AB vector cross BC vector. The cross product of two vectors is a vector perpendicular to the plane containing plane AB vector and AC vector. You know, in a vector product, the cross product of two vectors, A vector cross B vector, is a vector perpendicular to the plane containing both A vector and B vector. So clearly, AB vector cross AC vector is a vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing AP vector, AB vector, AC vector. Okay? We know AB vector cross AC vector is a vector perpendicular to plane containing AB vector, AC vector, AP vector. Okay, that means AP vector perpendicular to AB vector cross AC vector. We take this one. AP vector perpendicular to AB vector cross AC vector. That means AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector is equal to 0. Okay. or you can take also AB vector cross BC vector. So AP vector perpendicular to AB vector cross AC vector, that means its dot product is equal to 0. And you know the cross product of two vectors, the cross product of the product of the dot product of cross product of two vectors with another vector is known as a scalar triple product. दीटा भेक्टर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट गोटे भेक्टर आसियो किंतु दीटा भेक्टर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट सहित अन्य गोटे भेक्टर डॉट प्रोडक्ट जदि हमें बाहर करिया it must be a scalar, and that the product of three vectors is known as a scalar triple product. दीटा भेक्टर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट सहित अन्य गोटे भेक्टर डॉट प्रोडक्ट बाहर कले सब प्रोडक्ट गोटे स्केलर बाहर आ से प्रोडक्ट रे जेतु तीन टा भेक्टर अच्छी तो ताको हम कहूचे स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट. Okay, and this scalar triple product is denoted by, this is also denoted by AP vector, AB vector, AC vector is equal to 0. This is AP vector, AB vector, AC vector is equal to 0, and this scalar triple product is known as scalar triple product. Scalar triple product पहले scalar triple product आमर वेक्टर चैप्टर रे थिला किंतु ए वर्ष रो कोर्स रे तमरो scalar triple product कैंसिल कर देछि सेटा ओमिट कर देछि जेतु हम तुमको scalar triple product पढ़ी पालनु ना नहीं किंतु एति तुम जानियो जे scalar triple product माने कोन ना दी dot product of cross product of two vectors with another vector. दीटा वेक्टर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट सहित अन्य गोटे वेक्टर डॉट प्रोडक्ट कले जेतु गोटे स्केलर आइबो आ से स्केलर टागो बा से प्रोडक्ट टागो हम कहू स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट. ओके, तेणु स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री वेक्टर्स इज डिनोटेड बाय स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एपी वेक्टर एबी वेक्टर एसी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 0. And this is equal to what is AP vector? So AP vector means that implies R vector minus A vector. What is AP vector? This is the position vector of P minus position vector of A. AB vector means this is equal to B vector minus A vector, and AC vector means position vector of C. C vector minus A vector is equal to 0. Okay, and this is known as a vector equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Also we write in this way, that is equal to AP vector dot AB vector. So AB vector means what? B vector minus A vector cross AC vector means this is equal to C vector minus A vector. Okay, and this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So AP vector dot B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector is equal to 0. This is known as vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of plane. Vector equation of the plane passing through 3 points whose position vector A vector, B vector and C vector. Okay, that is AP vector means R vector minus A vector, that is R vector minus A vector, that is equal to R vector minus A vector dot B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector. Okay, is equal to 0. This is known as vector equation of the plane passing through 3 points. You can write this equation or in this equation. Okay. So this vector equation can be write in the following manner. AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector is equal to 0, or scalar triple product R vector minus A vector, B vector minus A vector, C vector minus A vector equal to 0, or you can write also R vector minus A vector, okay, dot B minus A cross C minus A is equal to 0. पहले एडा कोई बात जहाँ एडा कोई बात तहाँ एडा कोई बात तहाँ तुम्हें जो फॉर्म रखले भी होबो तो सिंपल तुम्हें एडा मन रख AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of the plane. But how to convert its Cartesian form? Hola. Now to convert its Cartesian form. Cartesian form. So Cartesian form, let A of x1 y1 z1, B of x2 y2 z2, and C of x3 y3 z3 are given 3 points where A vector is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, B vector is equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, C vector is equal to x3 I cap plus y3 j cap plus z3 k cap. We have the vector equation. Vector equation is AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector is equal to 0, okay, and that is the scalar triple product of AP vector, AB vector, AC vector is equal to 0. And what is AP vector? So here AP vector means AP vector, this is the position vector of P minus position vector of P, and P of xyz, P of xyz be the any point, okay, and R vector is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, okay. So AP vector means this is equal to position vector of P minus position vector of A. How can you determine position vector of P? X minus x1, this is equal to x minus x1 into I cap plus y minus y1 into j cap plus z minus z1 into k cap. Clearly this is a P vector, and AB vector means position vector of B minus position vector of A. So B minus A, this is x2 minus x1, this is x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. And AC vector means this is equal to x3 minus x1 into I cap plus y3 minus y1 into j cap plus z3 minus z1 into k cap is equal to 0. So this can be AP vector, AB vector, AC vector. जदि आपको हमें we express in a scalar triple product. This scalar triple product can be expressed in a determinate form. So in the determinate, the first row we write the component of AB vector, in the second row the component of AB vector, and in the third row the component of AC vector. ମୁଁ कौन कहली ना स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट को आम डिटरमिनेट स्टाइल लिखि पारिबा. तो डिटरमिनेट थर्ड ऑर्डर डिटरमिनेट स्टाइल लिखा जिंदगी फास्ट रो रे फास्ट वेक्टर कंपोनेंट लिखिया, सेकेंड रो रे सेकेंड वेक्टर कंपोनेंट लिखिया, थर्ड रो रे थर्ड वेक्टर कंपोनेंट गुडी को आम लिखा. एटा होची फास्ट वेक्टरटा, ए वेक्टर कंपोनेंट को आम फास्ट रो लिखा, ए वेक्टर कंपोनेंट को सेकेंड रो लिखिया, ए वेक्टर कंपोनेंट को थर्ड रो लिखिया है ना. दैट इज इक्वल टू दैट इंप्लाइज एटा कहबा जहां this is can be expressed in a determinate form of x minus x1. Understand? Try to understand. So this is equal to y minus y1 and z minus z1. This is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0, and this is known as Cartesian equation of the plane, which is called Cartesian form of equation of a plane, equation of the plane passing through 3 points x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3. ओके तेणु तीन टा पॉइंट देथियो प्लेन रे इक्वेशन केते कार्टेशियन फॉर्म केते तुम लिखियो फास्ट रे कोन करियो ना एनी पॉइंट रो फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस करी फर्स्ट रो लिखियो एनी बर्तमान तब लिखियो सेकंड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट थर्ड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट फर्स्ट एनी पॉइंट रो फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस कराबो फर्स्ट रो लिखा हबो सेकंड रो रे सेकंड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट थर्ड रो रे थर्ड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस करी लिखियो तार डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू बाहर करियो डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू बाहर कला पर जो एक्सपेंशन आसीबो से निश्चित रूपे फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेशन थिबो जो x y z थिबो एंड दिस इज नोन एज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन. But you know, in a plane contains more than 3 points. So by any 3 points, at least 3 points are given to find the equation of the plane. अति कम रे 3टा पॉइंट देथिला हमें प्लेन रे इक्वेशन बाहर करि पारिया. Suppose if another point is given, extra 4 number point is given, and so that this point must be lie on that plane. So 4 point lie on the plane. That means these 4 points are coplanar. So how can you test the 4 points are coplanar? Means first you have to find taking any 3 points to find the equation of the plane, and 4 number point satisfied. Verify whether this 4 point is satisfied to the given equation of the plane or not. If the 4 number point satisfied the given equation, that must be this point lies on the plane and these 4 points are coplanar. जदि तुमको 3टा पॉइंट बदलले 4टा पॉइंट देथिबो जे सो दैट 4 पॉइंट्स आर कोप्लानर बोले तमे जे कोनोसी 3टा पॉइंट नेगिरी फर्स्ट प्लेन रे इक्वेशन बाहर करियो प्लेन रे इक्वेशन बाहर कला पर 4 नंबर पॉइंटटा प्लेन रे इक्वेशन रे पकइबो जदि ताको सैटिस्फाई होउछि से इक्वेशन को आमे कहि परिबा जे 4 पॉइंट्स आर कोप्लानर और ऑटोमेटिकली आमे जदि डिटरमिनेंट पकइदबा 4 नंबर पॉइंट आइड पकबो x जगह x फोर्थ पकेबो y जगह y फोर्थ पकेबो z जगह z फोर्थ पकेबो दैट मींस x फोर्थ माइनस x1 y फोर्थ माइनस y1 z फोर्थ माइनस z1 x2 माइनस x1 y2 माइनस y1 z2 माइनस z1 x3 माइनस x1 y3 माइनस y1 z3 माइनस z1. If its determinant is 0, then we say 4 points are coplanar. Okay, so 4 points x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 x4 y4 z4 are coplanar. Means the determinant must be 0. First row रे 4 number point minus first point लिखियो x fourth minus x1 y fourth minus y1 z fourth minus z1. Second row रे second number point minus first point x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. Third row लिखियो x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1. जदि डिटरमिनेंट 0 होची तेबे हम कहि पारिया चारटा को पॉइंट्स को प्लानर और जे कोन 3टा पॉइंट नै प्लेन रे इक्वेशन बाहर करिवो 4 नंबर पॉइंट प्लेन रे इक्वेशन रे पकेबो जदि सैटिस्फाई होची we say these 4 points are coplanar. Okay, next we do some problems. So find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points 2 1 0 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 3 1 7. So clearly we determine the equation of the plane means we have to find the its a Cartesian form. So answer here x1 y1 z1 is equal to 2 1 0 x2 y2 z2 equal to 3 minus 2 minus 2 and x3 y3 z3 is equal to 3 1 7. You know equation of the plane, equation of a plane passing through 3 points, determinant of x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 is equal to 0 and substitute this value. So any point to हमें first point minus करिवो सो एटा कोन होची x माइनस 2 फार्मूला देखिया दरकार नै पेले फर्स्ट एनी पॉइंट माने x y z टू फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस कर देबो x माइनस 2 y माइनस 1 z माइनस 0 केते z हैला तापर कोन करियो सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट 3 माइनस 2 1 माइनस 2 माइनस 1 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 माइनस 0 माइनस 2 फर्स्ट रो रे एनी पॉइंट टू फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस करियो सेकंड रो रे सेकंड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट रखियो थर्ड रो रे थर्ड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट 3 माइनस 2 1 1 माइनस 1 0 7 माइनस 0 7 इज इक्वल टू 0 बुझला कि फर्स्ट रो रे लिखलो एनी पॉइंट टू फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस करी x माइनस 2 y माइनस 1 z माइनस 0 सेकंड रो रे सेकंड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट 3 माइनस 2 1 माइनस 2 माइनस 1 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 0 माइनस 2 थर्ड रो रे थर्ड पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट 3 माइनस 2 1 1 माइनस 1 0 7 माइनस 0 7 आपको एक्सपांड कर दियो प्लस माइनस प्लस दैट इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 2 इंटू ये माइनस 21 प्लस 0 माइनस y माइनस 1 इंटू 1 माइनस 1 इंटू 7 7 प्लस 4 है ना प्लस z इंटू 1 प्लस 3 तो दिस इज इक्वल टू प्लस z इंटू 1 इंटू 0 कहते 0 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 तो आपको एक्सपांड कले कौन होची ना दिस इज माइनस 21x माइनस माइनस प्लस 42 ये 7 प्लस 4 के 11 माइनस 11z माइनस 11z माइनस माइनस प्लस 11 ये प्लस 3z इज इक्वल टू 0 दैट इम्प्लाइज माइनस 21x माइनस सॉरी दिस इज इक्वल टू y माइनस 11y 7 प्लस 4 के 11 माइनस 11y प्लस 11 होची ना नहीं तो माइनस 11y प्लस 3z ये आसो केते आसो सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 42 प्लस 11 42 प्लस 11 दिस इज इक्वल टू 53 so there is a mistake here minus of y minus 1 into 7 plus 2 not 4 this is equal to 2 7 plus 2 means 9 है तो minus 9y ये plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0 so minus 21x minus 9y plus 3z ये 42 plus 9 plus 51 is equal to 0 so taking minus 21x plus 9y okay minus 3z minus 51 is equal to 0 this is the equation of the plane okay so in the next class we do some other problem using concept of the plane you can do the exercise of the plane that is the 13b question number 3 and question number 6 okay you can do 13b exercise question number 3 and 6 thank you